How Microsoft Office skills assessments help you hire better. According to SHRM, creating spreadsheets, building presentations, and using word processing software are must-have skills for today's employees. Candidates who possess these skills have more potential to be assets to your business. While many word processing and spreadsheet solutions are on the market, the most used are Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Nearly 1 million companies throughout the United States rely on the Microsoft Office suite. Your business is probably one of them. If so, you will understand firsthand how challenging it can be to identify which applicants are proficient enough with Microsoft Office products to contribute to your organization. Not every job seeker will include phrases like proficient with Microsoft Word or several years of experience with Microsoft Excel on their resume or job application. Even if a candidate lists Microsoft Office on their application, it is impossible from the resume to be sure they have a strong working knowledge of these applications. Many times, candidates possess only a cursory understanding of how to use Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Microsoft Office skills assessments allow you to answer this important hiring question definitively. By using Microsoft Office assessment tests for screening purposes, your hiring team can expedite the screening process, identify inconsistencies between listed skills and actual abilities, protect the company from civil liability, decrease hiring and recruiting costs. Which Microsoft Office skills tests are the most effective? A variety of skills tests are available at eskill.com, including the Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint skills tests. Additionally, there are several MS Office simulation skills tests for each product. Instead of gauging candidate skills using multiple choice questions, they use simulation software to enable candidates to complete specific tasks to demonstrate proficiency. If you want to know how Microsoft Suite Assessments tests can help you make better hires, contact us. eskill.com. Get a demo.